Australian mining product and services. Explore our premium product offering, and what we can do and offer, at very affordable costs. Wear liners configured to your specific requirement. Magnetic wear patches, repair bandages, instant leak seal, repair clamps, ensure safe continued product and help avoid costly unscheduled maintenance. Our corrosion control products prolong equipment life. Motorized and permanent magnet pulleys reduce infrastructure cost, save on energy and improve personnel safety. We refurbish material handling equipment and various large valves, as well as manufacture and supply hoses for hydro mining and material handling. We conceal and protect. We stock rubber wear bars and supply a wide range of equivalents to original manufacturers' pumps and crushers. With spares, our wide range of screening media improves or replicates existing configurations. Fabricated custom straight spools, bends and tees are designed to exceed per ton handled expectations. Magnetic wear patches, instant leak arrest, underwater epoxy with self-fusing silicone tape, and high-pressure resistant repair bandages limit environmental damage and allow production to continue with minimum disruption. Refurbishment to increase wear life, save on capital expenditure, and the return of critical componentry to service are high on our agenda. Ceramic liners, ready to install. In alumina, zirconia toughened alumina, reaction bonded silicon carbide. All to an end-user specification, designed to limit and eliminate all further modifications in Australia. We design, manufacture, and can supply complete trommels and vibrating screen machines with screen media in an appropriate material such as polyethylene, steel wire, rubber, with an aperture to meet sizing and throughput that meets site expectations. Magnetic-backed high-temperature resistant specialized liners. Repair clamps, hoses, paste delivery systems, permanent magnet and motorized pulleys and rollers. Polyurethane-lined fabricated items are some of the other areas where we can offer an affordable yet premium product. At Australian Mining Product and Services. Safety and educating an end user to select an appropriate wear material, fit for the application, that allows for continuous improvement, at an affordable cost, that complies with budgetary forecasts is paramount. We are available 24/7 and all it takes is a free call to get our opinion.